Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Franklinton, local and long-distance movers near me. Since we have expertise in long-distance handling shifts, our firm shares a good working relationship with the local federal association. We have legal permits and licenses to cross state or country lines and complete long-distance or international shifts. Moreover, while completing long-distance moves, the safety of their belongings is a major concern. So we have trained movers that efficiently handle your products and make sure that prevent any damage or wear and tear. But still, in case of any uncertainty, our firm will bear the damage without any extra charges or fees. When moving locally, always keep in mind shifting is a time-consuming process and it requires equally the same efforts as a long-distance shift. So it's vital to hire a professional moving firm, 3 Movers, as we provide same-day shifting for local moving and the best affordable rates. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Franklinton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.